I'm Dr. Harsh Mahajan, President of NATHEALTH, the Healthcare Federation of India, and it's a pleasure for me to invite you to our 8th annual summit on the 28th and 29th of March to be held at Le Méridien in New Delhi. Needless to say, it will also be held in a hybrid mode. The focus of this summit will be on rebuilding, restructuring, and reimagining resilient healthcare systems in India in this post-pandemic era. With the global pandemic still leading to uncertainties and complications, certain measures are required and facilities need to be made available to bring in increased investments and build healthcare capacity to enhance access, improve quality of health services, and address foundational issues at large which have been laid bare by the pandemic. Public and private stakeholders will sit together and rethink on collaborations and on addressing systemic issues in India. Investing in and rebuilding healthcare infrastructure as a strategic asset. As the torchbearer, we must look at planning to ensure that we are adapting and adjusting to the new normal. Over the two days, there will be multiple plenary sessions focused on building resilient healthcare systems in India and key learnings from COVID-19, restructuring healthcare financing, especially for alternate care delivery and other disruptive models, looking at delivery through digital adoption and supply chain innovation. There will also be focus on CSR, which is the emerging frontier driving innovation in healthcare. We will showcase the best practices in healthcare CSR activities, the key learnings and challenges faced on the ground level, to be followed by recognizing some of the top CSR programs in India through CSR awards. A plenary session will focus on Business Opportunity Pavilion to learn from various stakeholders from around the world who are building highly innovative models in healthcare, which has proved to be highly resilient during the pandemic and has the potential to become the next big health in this new era of uncertainties. A plenary session will be focused on startup innovations in a hub to provide an opportunity to leading startups in healthcare to present their innovative business models and the key challenges they are facing. And stalwarts from the healthcare industry will interact with them, hold their hand, guide them, and hopefully also invest in them. So friends, I look forward to seeing you at this 8th annual summit of NATHEALTH. I'm sure we'll have a great time together of learning and of building newer relationships and friendships.
Hello, I'm Dr. Shravan Subramaniam, Senior Vice President of NATHEALTH and Managing Director of Wipro GE Healthcare, with a presence across South Asia, covering imaging, ultrasound, critical care products, software, services, education, and much more. In the last 75 years post-independence, life expectancy in India has almost doubled through various healthcare interventions and initiatives, including new drugs, surgical techniques, and public health programs. What will the next 75 years hold in store for us? New technology is coming at us at the speed of thought. Medical technology for screening, for diagnostics, therapeutics, and monitoring are rapidly evolving, and they're benefiting from advances in computing, financing, access, skill building, patient empowerment, and of course, through government intervention and regulations. We've had a lot of new learnings in the last couple of years from COVID. As a member of the MedTech Forum at NATHEALTH, I have the opportunity to learn from some of the best minds in the industry as we work together to help shape the healthcare landscape of India. We collaborate across healthcare forums, we have the ear of the government, and also team up with startups. So please join us for NATHEALTH's annual summit in 2022, Rebuilding, Restructuring, and Reimagining a Resilient Healthcare System in India in the post-pandemic era in March 28th and 29th. You don't have to be a member of NATHEALTH, but it helps. Thank you and see you soon.
Dear colleagues, NATHEALTH has made continuous effort to be the voice of healthcare ecosystem in India and played a pivotal role in shaping the future of Indian healthcare. Today is a time when government and private players have to work collaboratively to strengthen and build a strong roadmap for the health of India's future. We need greater focus on preventive health, NCD management, and increased resources to leverage the power of technology and artificial intelligence to improve access to quality healthcare in every corner of India. We need stronger policies for greater investment in innovation, research, medical education, skill development, and capacity building of healthcare workers, enabling ease of business and PPP models for system and infrastructure strengthening. NATHEALTH Annual Summit 2022 provides an opportunity for this and more through engaging dialogues and discussions. Join us at the NATHEALTH Annual Summit 2022 to pave new pathways for the future of healthcare in India. Thank you.
This is Ameera Shah, MD and promoter of Metropolis Healthcare and also the Secretary of NATHEALTH. I'm very excited to talk about the annual summit of NATHEALTH, which is today the leading voice in healthcare, in the healthcare industry. And we're having our summit on March 28th and 29th, and the topic will be Rebuilding, Restructuring and Reimagining Resilient Healthcare Systems in India in a post-pandemic era. This is the best time to bring all stakeholders to the table, including policymakers, to discuss not only the India of the past and present, but the future and how we're going to get there. If you are in the industry or just a citizen of the country, it's absolute must that you must listen to what's happening in healthcare in India and how we can all contribute to it and be a part of changing the landscape for the future. Do join us. Look forward to chatting with all of you.
Hello friends, this is Sunil Thakur. I'm a partner with Wateria Capital, Asia's leading healthcare-focused private equity fund. I'm also the treasurer of NATHEALTH. This is to invite you to India's most awaited healthcare conference, the NATHEALTH Annual Healthcare Summit 2022. The theme of the conference is Rebuilding, Restructuring and Reimagining Resilient Healthcare Systems in India in Post-Pandemic Era. The conference agenda has been designed to bring together all the important stakeholders from startups to small, mid, large healthcare providers, product manufacturers, and government agencies on one platform to exchange ideas and learn from industry thought leaders about new operating mechanisms, harness knowledge and technology for best possible solutions to deliver the best outcomes. It also provides an opportunity to network with the best companies in order to foster partnership and build the ecosystem. So if you are a hospital, a diagnostic company, a pharma company, a medical devices company, payer, startups, health tech company, patient advocacy group, this is the conference to attend. NATHEALTH eagerly awaits your registration and your presence in the conference.